house music.
Hello everybody, my name is Sinbrecca. I go by Sinbrecca Beauty here on YouTube, and this is how I did my second big chop. I didn't know I was doing it. It was just so like random, so here you go. Okay, so I wanted to do something different with my hair today. I woke up not really knowing what I was going to do, so just stay tuned while I do this new style on my hair, okay? Right here, I'm really like, okay, you really about to do this? You really about to cut your hair? Like, just forget it. Like, come on. You know, this is what people do when they get ready to cut. I was like, okay, you really about to do it? You really cutting it? You really cutting it? Oh my God. I know you lied. No, you cutting it. Oh my God, you almost done. Keep cutting. Go, keep cutting. Oh my God. I had to look like, oh my God, girl. Girl, wait, oh my God. Let me get this right, come on now. Okay, now, you know, I'm on the second part, so I'm like, okay, just cut, okay, we got it, we cutting it, okay, like, yeah, this is about to be your new normal. Go ahead, keep cutting, sis. Period. Okay, I see. All right, let me just keep cutting, because, I mean, okay, this is what it is. And I'm just like, wow. Like, I'm really amazed. But happy. Like, happy I made the decision to cut it. And, like, we cutting all them dead ends off, girl. Bye. Yeah. Let's get that out. Some years. Okay, at this point, I think I'm a real life stylist. Like, girl, you cannot tell me I'm not. Like, no. Girl, it look like you are trying to kiki. You going all in. It's just like, wait now. Look. Oh, yes, I did, girl. I really did it. Girl, look at this. So, this is the end result. I just was grabbing and cutting. Like, I know some of it is uneven. I don't even care. I probably will have my stylist, you know, just even it up for me. I just had it. Like, I needed to cut my hair. You know, I wanted to do it for at least a solid 5 years. I've been wanting to do a second big chop. And then over the summer, I got some color put in my hair. I got like auburn and like blonde highlights. And, you know, I noticed a change in my hair, and I was like, okay, you know, I knew it was going to change because I've had blonde and auburn hair since high school. So I knew you know, it was gonna change the texture of my hair a little bit, but you know, that was in the summertime, you know, where the air is more moist and it's not so drying. It's drying, but it's not like the winter. Like the winter is just like, it wreaked havoc on my hair, and nobody else could tell. I could tell. I know how my hair is supposed to curl up. I know how it's supposed to look. And you know, I just was not trying to keep my dog out of here. It was not popping. And so like I didn't even know I was gonna cut my hair today. Like I had no idea. I woke up like in a crappy mood, like just crappy, and it was because I needed to do my hair and my hair wasn't done. And like, if you are having a bad hair day and your hair ain't right, like you and I both know, if your hair ain't right, you don't feel right, you know? And it's just like, I knew that, I didn't know that that was the issue, but when I got back home and I started to comb it out, as I was about to wash it, I was like, no. And I was like, my little sister was like, well, you know, when do you want to cut it? And I was like, I'm not going to make it to the summertime, I'll tell you that. And I was like, I want to lose like 30 or 40 pounds before I cut my hair. But she was just like, you know, like, what's the difference? Like, if you want to cut it, just cut it. And I was like, ding, 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 ding. Like, nobody knew I was doing it. Like, nobody had seen it yet. Nobody but my mom and my little sister and Jimmy. And I feel like, oh my God, I feel so bomb right now. Like, like, who is you? Like, who are you, mamas? Like, girl, like, oh my God, I love my hair. And I'm gonna keep it this short for a little while because I really, really like it. And like I said about the color, you know, my hair was just mad dry, like I'm talking like, you know, because we all know our hair. And you know your hair, how it's supposed to look. You know, when I do a twist out, I know I'm gonna have big, nice, juicy curls depending on how I twist it. If I twist it smaller, my twists are gonna be a little tighter. If I do them bigger, they're gonna be wider, more fluffy, more volume. And my hair was just not looking right. Like, it'll look right for one day and then I gotta twist it again at night. Like, if I twist my hair tonight, I don't have to twist it the next night. I can go at least 2 or 3 days with my hair still looking nice. And it's just brittle. And like, when I had my coat on, like, it would just like bulk up down here at the bottom. And I'm just like, my hair does not do that. And it was just getting all tangled up the back. I did not know I was gonna do this today. Today is January 2nd, 2021. I mean, like, and I'm just like, I'm gonna do that. And then like I just did it and I just feel so bomb. So I'm about to be doing all the little short hairstyles. Like, when I first like did my big chop, I didn't know how to like shape my little TWA. Like, I didn't know what to do. You know, it was just looking crazy. Like, so now this time around, I know what to do. Ooh, I cut. I cut off a lot over here, more than over here, but it's cool, girl. Like, it's cool. Don't nobody even know, like, yeah. So, yeah, this is, girl, I gotta come up with a whole new name for this hair. Like, I don't know. Like, what should I call her? Like, I gotta come up with a name for her. So I'm just starting all over. I'm starting from ground zero. So I hope this inspires somebody to do something that you've been putting off and you've been thinking about doing. Because this is the second thing I've done this week that, you know, I feel like the spirit just was like, do it. This is the second thing this week. I did something else this week. something big that I've been wanting to do, and I did that, and I was really proud of myself. So this, like I've been wanting to do this for so long. Like, y'all don't even know. Y'all don't know. Like, with all that dead hair, is like I've been cutting people off left and right. Like, it's not even about people. It's all with me. Like, it all has to do with me. But like, just cutting off dead ends. People are dead ends. Like, that is all with my hair. And I've been having that hair. Like, I chopped about 8 inches off, 8 or 9 inches off back in 2017, because I had got my hair flat ironed, and after I got it flat ironed, all the bottom was just limp after I washed it, and I was just like mortified. Nobody could tell again, because I knew how to. And one day I washed it, took my twist out, and I was like, grabbed the scissors and just started cutting whatever didn't look right. I just cut it, and that's just kind of what I did now. So if this can help anybody and inspire anybody, like, just do it. Like, literally just do it. Like, it is hair growth. It will grow back. Like, it will grow back, I promise. So this is my new little look. This is what we doing. This is what we giving. So thank you all for watching, and be real life dope. Okay, bye.